Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good. And today it's all about festive decors. So let's see some easy and very budget friendly festive decors. So for this I have taken only waste materials. So here guys, I'm doing two jharokas. For that I have cut it in the shape of this, and then I started giving borders. For that I have taken this super light clay. You can use any type of clay you have. So when I was doing this craft, whatever materials I had, I am showing with that only. So you can do it with molded clay or any other border also you can give, just to highlight the border and give that 3D look. I have given this kind of clay work. So once this is done, let's start painting. You can use your choice of colors. Here I have painted it with golden yellow, and this color is pale emerald. So guys, most of them keep asking me especially about what colors I used, what brand of paints I used. All these are Fevicryl acrylic paints guys. I will give the purchase links in the description box. You can check it out. So once this is done, I simply decorated it with lace, then some sequences, and I have given this borders and all that. So for this clay border guys, as you can see, I have highlighted with this metallic color, golden metallic color. So whatever materials you have it at home, make use of that and you can create something like this guys. So please tell me, how did you like this? So these candles are also not so expensive. You can get it in any stationery shops, like 20 or 25 rupees each. So after keeping these candles, aren't they looking pretty guys? Please tell me in the comment section. So let's move on to our DIY number 2. For this I have taken only cardboards. So to make a little bit strong, I pasted 2 of these. Pasted these tapes to give a clean look. So once this is done, let's start painting. So for this also I have given border guys, and here I have used wall putty clay. So after giving this kind of borders, you have to leave it to dry. Once it is dried, then you have to paint. After painting it, then again it is time for decorations. So I have given these borders with green color, and again with same sequences, let's start decorating these also. So this is basically a wall hanging. So for this we need a hanging and some tassels. So I made a tassel with woolen, and then I stitched it with the needle guys. Actually if we paste it, it will come out. So what I did, I used needle and thread and I stitched it. For hanging I have used this Gotapati lace which I already had with me. So to write these codes I have used this 3D outliner. The same thing you can also write it in clay. I thought let it keep it simple, and so this is how it looks guys. Please tell me in the comment section. So moving on to this third DIY, I hope you are going to love this so much. So for this I have taken CDs, any old CD, and for this also I am taking this wall putty clay. If you have molded clay, you can use that also. It will give the same look. So here what we are going to do, make a lot of these leaves and start pasting around like this guys. It is really simple. Simply leaves you have to make and start pasting. So once this is done, you have some space left behind. For that also we are going to make some small leaves and fill these gaps. Here similarly in between also take some clay and fill this gap, and so making it look like a sunflower. Once done, leave this to dry and then let's start painting. So 2 of these tea light holders are ready. So let's start painting guys. Same golden yellow, and in between I have given a dark brown. Guys, you can seal this with varnish also, and you can preserve it for long time. So this wasn't dried, so I have not given varnish now. So let's light some tea light candles here. So I hope today you liked all these festive DIYs. Please tell me in the comment section which is your most favorite. If you like today's video, then please subscribe guys. Thank you for watching.